Hey guys, come do my morning skincare routine with me, okay? I'm going to be talking along the way, so I will be explaining some little details here and there, okay? Let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm going to use my toner. I've already washed my face. I've already done my cleansing, okay? I'm just going to put a little bit here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, just rub it all over my face. So the reason why I'm doing this is for the toner to balance my pH and bring back moisture on my face, okay? So yeah, it is very important that you use your toner so that other products I'm going to be using afterwards can easily penetrate. Now it's Harmattan season, so it is very easy for it to dry. So I'm going to be using lactic acid today because I want to, exfoliate my face, gently exfoliate my face. So this is what I'm using, ordinary lactic acid. So I'm going to drop. It's very running. So when it comes to this part, if you're someone having maybe hyperpigmentation, you can use glycolic acid. You understand? You notice that your face is very dull. You can use glycolic acid. Okay, yeah. It depends on your skin type. Let me rub. So when it comes to putting on your serum, this one is lactic acid because I use it to gently exfoliate my skin. If you are suffering from hyperpigmentation, you will use this first before using your toner. You understand? You have to use this first before using your toner. Then you now put your treatment. If you're treating it with tretinoin, now you're going to bring in all the treatment. If you're having a lot of breakouts, you will use salicylic acid. Okay, that one is out of stock, so that's what I'm not showing you. So this one is lactic acid as well, but this one is for face parts, the one I use from Ordinary. Okay, so when you are done with this part, when I'm done, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put on my serum. This one for for brightening, you know, and also hydration as well. I have to rub it in gently, gentle. I like getting under my eyes when I'm done, under my jaw, here, my ears, my neck area, even my lip. I put on my lip. Don't judge me, okay? So guys, when you're done putting in your vitamin C serum, let it dry down a little bit, okay? So for if you want to brighten your face, if you are having dry skin, this is going to help hydrate your face and also brighten your face. I mean, this vitamin C. Now it's time to put on my face cream. So I'm using Cosrx. I don't know. I didn't even mention all the products that I used. Or I'm going to list them. I'm going to put them on the screen. Okay. Guys, no my nose. So I rub it in. Rub it. Rub. This is the face cream that I use. When you're done putting on your face cream, now if you're going outside the house, you can wear your sunscreen, but I'm not going outside the house. So yeah, if you're also maybe, so for some people who this might be more too expensive for, you can get this one. I have it all. In fact, all the products that I use here are all available. Just send me a DM, okay? So that's it for that. I don't know if you guys would like me to be coming live once in a while on this YouTube space. so I can be answering some of your questions, you know. What do you think? What do you think? So I finish up with, you know, hydrating my hands again. Guys, I hope you're not sleeping on this body oil. This body oil is doing so much wonder. You don't even need too much. You don't need too much. Just put it on your body. My skin is shiny. My skin is shiny. So yeah, this body oil is super. It is super. It is super. I'm going to put this in. So guys, I was asking a question. Would you like me to come to live here on YouTube every Wednesday by 8 p.m. so I can answer some of your questions? Okay, if it's something you are interested in, you can let me know in the comment section. I don't know if anybody watched to this part, but if you do, even if it's 1 yes that I get, I'm good. Okay, I'll catch you in my next video.